Welcome, young Padawan, to the world of the Higgs field, where real-world science meets the epic saga of Star Wars.
Just like the Force in Star Wars, the Higgs field is invisible, and it is everywhere, spreading to all corners of the galaxy. As the elementary particles interact with this field, they acquire a remarkable property: mass.
But first, what is an elementary particle and what is mass?
Elementary particles are the smallest units of matter and energy. You are probably familiar with an atom, and the electrons of an atom are a type of elementary particle. But did you know its protons and neutrons are actually made up of elementary particles called quarks? There are many different types of elementary particles that make up a collection called the Standard Model. Elementary particles like these are the building blocks of everything in our universe. Now let's explain mass.
I shall use the Force!
Mass is an object's resistance to acceleration when a force is acting upon it.
The Force is not strong enough.
Just as Jedi like me interact with the Force to gain our abilities, the elementary particles interact with the Higgs field to manifest mass. Let's imagine the Higgs field as these nuts and screws, and this magnet and coin as different elementary particles interacting with the Higgs field. Before interacting with the Higgs field, the particles do not have mass. They are equal. It is their interaction with the Higgs field that gives them mass. As you can see, the particle represented by the magnet interacts a lot more with the Higgs field, causing it to have a greater mass than the penny particle. Certain particles, like photons, which are commonly referred to as light particles, do not interact with the Higgs field at all, causing them to be massless. This is why light has no mass.
Now you may wonder, how did scientists discover this extraordinary field? Just like how Jedi can detect fluctuations or disturbances in the Force, scientists can detect excitations or ripples in the Higgs field.
Excitations in the Higgs field materialize as particles called the Higgs boson, which scientists have successfully observed.
Now that you understand how the Higgs field gives mass to the elementary particles, let the knowledge of the Higgs field be with you.